Our battle plan is predictably flawless.
Republic forces are targeting our tractor beams in an effort to free their cruiser. Enemy bombers breaking through. Intercept. Threat detected. Republic light cruisers incoming. Republic cruiser has sustained critical damage. Continue fire.
Alert. Enemy in pursuit.
Republic bombers inbound.
Initiating offensive.
Republic fighters attempt to disable our tractor beams. Intercept. Republic cruiser destroyed.
Enemy bombing run initiated. Enemy evaded.
Doing our best.
Enemy bombers destroyed.
E tactical under attack.
I can show you the ways of the Force.
Only one Republic cruiser remains.
Making contact. Outcome expected.
No challenge.
Republic ship count dwindling. Victory conditions approach. Eliminate fighters. Detecting damage. Tractor beams critical.
Caution advised. Analysis. Catastrophic effect on chances.
Tractor beams destroyed. Continue general defense.
First among the Knights of Ren, at your service.
Reinforcements arrive. Separatist dreadnoughts. Odds of success increasing.
The dark side is strong with me.
Orders: prevent Republic forces from destroying communications array.
They attack from behind. Cowards.
Critical threat detected. Incoming enemy capital ships. Venator class.
Burn them. Taking fire. Destroy them.
Warning, Republic bombers are firing on our forces. If our communication array is disabled, our ability to call reinforcements will be hindered.
They said you were pretty decent.
Errand is beneath me.
I have an enemy to the rear.
Republic fighters attempt to destroy our communications array. Intercept.
You should get paid for that.
You are nothing. These fools cannot defeat me.
Victory secured. Ambush successful.